Ever feel like your Acumatica customization projects hit these unexpected roadblocks? You're making great progress and then bam, a technical error just stops you in your tracks.
It's incredibly frustrating, especially when you're excited about rolling out a new feature or process, and it's all just stuck because of some error message you can't figure out.
Today, we're diving deep into one of those pesky errors that can really throw a wrench into your plans.
So many Acumatica users run into it, but thankfully, it's usually fixable with a little know-how.
And to guide us through this deep dive, we have Mayuri Gulhane with us. Mayuri is a software engineer at Tayana Solutions. She's been working with ERP systems for 5 years now. She's a whiz at solving Acumatica challenges. She's tackled at least 5 different unique scenarios, generic inquiries, more than 10.
So she's definitely the right person to walk us through this path too long exception problem.
It hits you when the file path, that digital address for your Acumatica project customizations, gets too long for Windows to handle.
Windows has this, well, kind of arbitrary limit of 260 characters for a file path.
It's more about how your folders are organized.
Like those super organized folks who have folders within folders within folders, all with descriptive names, of course.
Yeah.
But then you end up with this crazy long path.
A client who is really into keeping their projects meticulously organized, they ran into this problem over and over because their paths were getting way longer than 260 characters. Like C program files, Acumatica, ERP customization, and then add in a super long instance name, a long project name, even more detailed subfolders.
And when they'd try to build their project, it would just stop. No compiling, no deploying, just a frustrating error message.
Which meant delays. Delays meant missed deadlines. And that can really impact a business. The goal is to make your development process smoother and, well, just less stressful.
Stress-free development sounds like a dream come true.
Right. And the first step is usually pretty simple. Shorten that path. Just relocate your project files to a directory with a shorter name.
Yeah.
Instead of that mile-long path we talked about, something like C Acumatica, shorter instance name, shorter project name can make a world of difference. And watch out for those sneaky characters like underscores and dots. They might look innocent, but they add to that character. Now, another helpful trick is to tap into a feature Windows offers, enabling support for long file paths.
Wait, Windows lets you do that? I thought 260 was like set in stone.
By default, yeah. But newer versions of Windows let you bypass that limit. You just need to tweak some settings in the registry. If you're comfortable with a bit of system navigation, it's pretty straightforward. First, you open the registry editor by pressing the Windows key and R together. Then type regedit and hit enter. Now you need to find the right spot in the registry. So on the left side, expand HKey local machine, then system, then current control set, then control, and finally file system. Now, in the file system folder, you'll be searching for an entry called long paths enabled. If it's not there, you need to create it. Just right-click in the empty space on the right side, select New, and choose DWORD 32-bit. We'll name it Long Paths Enabled, no spaces. And then to actually enable long path support, you right-click Long Paths Enabled, select Modify, and enter 1 in the value data field. But don't forget, you'll need to restart your server for the change to kick in. Otherwise, Windows will still be stuck on that 260 character limit.
So we've got our 3-step plan. Shorten the path, watch out for sneaky characters, and enable long paths in Windows.
And it works because you're either reducing the path length below that Windows limit or telling Windows, hey, I need to work with longer paths, deal with it. So no more error. And for our client who was constantly battling this issue, the results were amazing. No more errors, no more delays.
And when your developers can actually focus on development, that's when the magic happens.
Enabling long path support prepares you for future projects that might need those longer paths. It's like future-proofing your Acumatica development.
Now, let's say a developer is just starting out and runs into this error. How do they even know it's the path too long issue?
Well, usually the first sign is an error message during the Acumatica build process. Check those build logs. They often spill the beans and say something about the path being too long. And if the error always pops up when you're working with files in deep, complicated folders, that's a clue too. Sometimes just moving those files to a different location temporarily can help you confirm if it's really the path length causing the trouble.
So to sum up, those seemingly small technical details like file paths, they can have a huge impact on your Acumatica projects and, honestly, on your whole business.
No doubt. Taking the time to address them proactively can save you so much hassle in the long run.
And if you're wrestling with this path too long issue or any other Acumatica challenge, remember, you don't have to struggle alone. Reach out to the experts at Tayana Solutions.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into the path too long exception in Acumatica. Until next time.